In this video, we will know that how to fix printer driver is unavailable on Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So how to fix in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. Right click on taskbar and after that click here task manager option. And after that guys, click here file and click here run new task and type here services.msc and check this checkbox and click here OK button. After that guys, find here a service, printer spooler and printer these three service. Okay, right click on it, this service and click here start button. Okay, and click here a second service and click here start. Now click here print spooler, right click on it and click here properties. And after that guys, select here, if there are manual, select here automatic, startup type. And click here stop button. And click here apply and click here OK. Now click here start button. These three services should be running here. Okay, close this window. Now close. Now click here start button. Click here settings. Now guys, click here update and security option. Click here troubleshoot option. Click here additional troubleshooter. Find here printer in this list. Click here and click here run the troubleshooter. It will detect automatically problem. Now select here your printer in this list. So this is our printer. If they are not listed, select here my printer is not listed and click here next. Now guys, find here your printer here. This is your printer. Okay, printer name, copy one, click next. It will detect automatically problems. Now click here apply this fix. Now again click here apply this fix. Click here next and wait for some time. Now guys, you can see here our problem get fixed here in this list. Your physical driver is installed, hardware and your printer related problem fixed here. Now close this dialog and close this window. Now guys, after that click here start button and restart your PC. So guys, if your problem is not fixed after restart, launch any browser on your Windows and after that guys, type here your printer name like HP printer driver download and type here your printer model number. Now click start button, click here run. Now type here control OK and click here device and printer and this is your printer name and this is your 1020 model number. Now type here 1020. This is your model number. Press enter and this is first link, click on it. Now guys, this is your printer and this is same as it is name here. Now find here your operating system Windows 10 and type version is 64. Click here submit and after that guys, you can see here your driver is displayed here. Click on download. It will get automatically download. Now open download folder, and this is your driver, laptop printer driver. Now right click on it, this driver, and click here run as administrator. Minimize all windows. Now guys, click here install and click here this repair option. Now click next. Now guys, click close and close this window and restart your PC. Click here yes. So after restart guys, click here start button, click here settings, click here devices, and click here printer and scanner. So guys, you can see here copy 1, this is our printer, and error get removed from here. Okay, no error is displayed here right now. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.